moderate magnitude 4.3 earthquake, 55 kilometers southwest of San Jose, Costa Rica, on Monday, June 19, 2023 at 2:15 a.m. GMT-6, 1 hour 59 minutes ago. According to the United States Geological Survey, the exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by the Citizen Seismograph Network of Raspberry Shake, which listed it as a magnitude 4.2 earthquake as well. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the Incorporated Research Institutions for Seismology, IRIS, at magnitude 4.5, and the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, at magnitude 4.1.